Halvi Bank UK Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online banking for small businesses wrong. They think it's just a digital version of a regular bank. The surprising truth about Halvi Bank UK is how it's specifically designed for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses, and you won't believe how much it can simplify your finances. Here's how it works. Halvi offers business accounts with integrated invoicing, expense management, and bookkeeping tools. Instead of juggling separate apps, you can manage your money, track invoices, and categorize expenses in one platform. For example, a freelance graphic designer can send professional invoices directly from their Halvi account, get notified when clients pay, and automatically organize all receipts for tax purposes. Most people get this wrong. They assume business banking is complicated, but Halvi makes it intuitive and efficient. Additional features include virtual and physical debit cards, real-time notifications, and the ability to create savings goals for taxes or future investments. Halvi also integrates with accounting software like Xero, reducing the time spent on financial administration. However, there are considerations. Halvi is designed for small businesses and self-employed individuals, so it might not suit larger companies with more complex banking needs. Fees apply for certain services, like international transfers or premium features. Most people assume all features are free. It's not, so it's worth reviewing pricing tiers before signing up. In conclusion, Halvi Bank UK is ideal for freelancers and small business owners seeking an all-in-one financial platform. It streamlines invoicing, expenses, and banking, saving time and reducing stress. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of banking solutions and business tools.